today we have to understand the coal distribution in India. Coal distribution in India. And if I am talking about coal distribution in India, as I said you earlier also, there are the two types of coal, Gondwana coal, and it is 98% in India. Another I said tertiary coal, that is 2% in India. And this Gondwana coal has been started forming around 200 million years, and tertiary coal, it is around 50 to 60 million years. And it is more of bituminous kind of it. Earlier classes we have also seen, like, if I say that first I said that where the Gondwana coal, number one I said that it is Jharkhand, and you can say around 30% or 29%, means one third of the total coal reserve of India, it is in Jharkhand. Therefore, Jharkhand is also known as Ruhr of India. Ruhr means it is one of the place in Germany which is famous for coal. Therefore, it is also known as Ruhr of India. After Jharkhand, I said Orissa, and you can say that 25% of the coal, means 1/4 of the coal, it is in Orissa. And thereafter I said that there is in Chhattisgarh. Then I said that it is around 17% of the coal of India. Then I said West Bengal, where I said that 11% of the coal of India. Understood? First it is Jharkhand, second Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. Then I talked about MP, Madhya Pradesh, and I said that it is 8% of the coal of India. Then I said Telangana, it is 7% of the coal of India. It is at the 6th position. Then I said Maharashtra, and it is 3% of the coal of India. Understood? So we have seen this 1/3 coal of India, Jharkhand, we are saying it is completely in the northern part of Jharkhand. Northern part of Jharkhand we have, I said that coal, and then famous collieries are, I said that if you see, कभी यदि आपको कोई बोले पलामू, yes, somebody is talking about Hazaribagh, yes, somebody said Ranchi, say yes, somebody said Dhanbad, say yes, somebody said Bokaro, say yes. Palamu में famous coal field is Huttar coal field, you must remember. in the book, and in the Dhanbad, the famous coal field is Jharia. Nearby Dhanbad, there is a famous coal field is Jharia coal field. So must remember when I discuss it in the Jharia, and then I said that Palamu famous coal field, I said that Uttar coal field. Coming towards Odisha, and if I am coming in Odisha and I said that there is another famous coal field, it is, I said that Talcher coal field. Which coal field I said that? Talcher coal field in Odisha. And then in Odisha, if I say that this coal field, it is in the especially Angul district, Dhenkanal district, the famous coal field in Odisha. Jharkhand coal field, first it is which coal field I said that? Jharkhand. Thereafter I said that Odisha. Understood? In the Jharkhand, northern part of Jharkhand, I talked about Palamu. और भी रीजन है, जब when I'll come into Jharkhand, that time you'll see the Palamu, Daltonganj, Chatra, different name you'll remember. But here I am saying some specific name. I said that northern part of Jharkhand, that is in Palamu, Hazaribagh, Ranchi, Dhanbad, Bokaro. I am from Bokaro itself, Bokaro Steel Plant. Yes, my schooling is over there. And Dhanbad, just it is nearby to me, 50 kilometer. There is an Indian School of Mines, you know that the famous, it is also under IIT. And then Dhanbad has Jharia coal field. What I said that? Jharia coal field. So ये याद रखेंगे, Dhanbad has which coal field? Jharia. And Palamu in the northern part of Jharkhand. हमेशा जब बोला करेंगे, एक बात लाइफ में यदि आप क्लियर करने चाहते हो तो मेरा यही एक मतलब रहा है, why do the students are not able to clear 3-4 years? केवल पूछते जाते हैं स्टूडेंट से, टीचर से, सर मेरा क्यों नहीं हो रहा है, क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? क्योंकि कस्तूरी आपके अंदर है. You know that the main things which is making you to selection, it is inside you and you do not follow. Just follow करते रहो, बोलते रहो, चीजें दिमाग में रहेगी तो you understand how to correlate. And correlation is the main funda, and then how to clear prelims examination. नहीं तो हर साल देखोगे कि this selected student what he has said, which book he has referred, and then keep on reading these books, again new books, another selected student has said this. आप खुद बनो ना example, you have to make yourself as an example. So then I said that which are the region in Jharkhand? Palamu, Hazaribagh, Ranchi, धनबाद, बोकारो. और इस रीजन में जाओगे रोड भी काला दिखता है. धनबाद साइड में जाओगे कंप्लीट कोड. द रोड लुक्स लाइक आल्सो इन द नियर बाय रीजन कंप्लीट ब्लैक. देन कमिंग टुवर्ड्स, आई सेड दैट तालचेर कोल फील्ड, आई सेड दैट इट इज, आई सेड दैट अंगुल एंड धेनकनाल. और आपको पता है कि कोल फील्ड्स कब बनता है? जब ये फॉल्ट होता है. एंड अगेन आई सेड दैट फॉल्ट मीन्स crack is there and the crack get enlarged and it started moving. Understood? So there will be fault. And कल आपने देखा था tensional force causes something move and then rift valley has been formed. In the rift valley deposition of I said vegetation, and in our India vegetation deposit has been taken place around 200 million years ago. क्योंकि थोड़ा सा कॉन्टिनेंट स्टार्टेड ड्रिफ्टिंग एट दैट टाइम, सम प्लेट्स हैज बीन टेंशनल फोर्स. एंड देन इन द झारखंड दामोदर रिवर इज देयर एंड देयर इज एन दामोदर fault. Understood? So why Jharkhand has coal? Yes, tell me, why do the Jharkhand has coal? In the Damodar faults. Nearby other faults are also there. Can you remember? Which fault I said that? Damodar. And which are the reason? Which are the reason I said that? Tell me. इस साइड से चलेंगे. पलामू, हजारीबाग, रांची, धनबाद, बोकारो. लेकिन मैंने कहा होल नॉर्थ झारखंड हैज व्हाट? कोल. Thereafter, which I said that Damodar. Talcher coalfield, it is on the Mahanadi fault. On which fault? On which fault? And there is a famous district is there, and its name is, I said that, Angul and Dhenkanal. Angul and Dhenkanal, coal. Next one, Chhattisgarh, if will come. In the Chhattisgarh, there is, I said that Mahanadi as well as Son river fault. Which river? और जब मैं Son river, तो it doesn't mean Son. Son has some tributaries also. If I am talking about Damodar fault, means Damodar and its tributary. उनके भी fault include होते हैं. Understood? So which I said that Chhattisgarh में northern Chhattisgarh. Which I said that northern Chhattisgarh. And वहाँ पर which I said that famous one I said that Son plus Mahanadi. Understood? Son plus Mahanadi. Or famous I said that Korba Bilaspur coalfield. Understood? Korba Bilaspur coalfield. So in Jharkhand, which are the famous? Palamu, Hazaribagh, Ranchi, Dhanbad, Bokaro, Dhanbad, Jharia coalfield, Palamu, Puttar coalfield. Can you remember in your mind? And thereafter I said that in Odisha, on the Mahanadi river, there is an, I said that Mahanadi river fault, we have been able to see which Talche, and which I said Dhan, और आपके अंगुल में धन है. Understood? अंगुल and Dar fault. Understood? Or when you study West Bengal, the is known as sorrow of West Bengal. Sorrow. MP. In MP there is a Narmada river. Narmada fault देखा था आपने? Narmada fault and Son fault. Which I said that Narmada fault and Narmada and which fault? Son fault. And there are three famous coal field in the MP. Son river miss, and then I said that if I am talking about Singrauli, yes, which one I said that? And Singrauli coalfield is in the Singrauli district itself. जो पहले it was earlier Siddhi district. Another famous coalfield is Umaria coalfield, and it is the name of district itself. Umaria coalfield. Understood? And then third one I am talking about Pench, Kanha, Tawa. Which are the coalfield I said that? Pench, Kanha, Tawa. Tawa river दिख रहा है आपको? From the Betul Mahadev hills, which are the river originated? Tawa, Tapi, Wardha. Wardha Maharashtra में entry कर गया. Tapi भी enter into Maharashtra. Thereafter it goes into what is an asset? Gujarat. याद होगा. Thereafter Narmada में, so Pench is a national park, Kanha is a national park, and Tawa is a river. So Pench, Kanha, Tawa coalfields. So which are the three coalfields in the MP? Singrauli, Umaria Pinch Kanha Tawa coalfield. Understood? Telangana, Maharashtra se, if you see from the Maharashtra, Godavari river originated Nasik se, Triambak plateau. Thereafter it comes into Telangana, and in the Telangana, it is in a rift valley. In the Telangana, Khammam district ke paas, Singareni coalfield. Which coalfield? So in the Telangana, Singareni coalfield, and it is on which fault? Godavari. Singareni coalfield. In Telangana, याद रखेंगे in Telangana which coalfield? आप लोगों ने देखा था सतपुड़ा, राजपीपला, सतमाला, Mahadev, Gavilgarh. Mahadev Hill say which are the river originated? I said that Tawa, Tapi, Wardha, and Wardha entry into Maharashtra nearby Nagpur and all. Wardha district Nagpur, and यहाँ पर this Wardha fault in Maharashtra nearby Nagpur, it is making Kampti coalfield. Which coalfield? So in the Maharashtra, which river I said that? Wardha, and which coalfield? Kampti coalfield. Wardha. On which river? And one Kampti waterfall, it is in, I said that Uttarakhand में शायद बताना भूल गया हूँगा मैं. मसूरी में जब घूमने जाओगे, then you can be able to see, I said that. घूमने जाओगे या आप ऐसे जाओगे, आपकी मर्जी है, which way you want to go. So these are the faults we have been able to see, and just I am showing you in the map of India so that you can again see it. I said that, ध्यान से, first one, ऊपर नीचे आजू बाजू. First is Jharkhand, second is Odisha, third is Chhattisgarh, fourth is, can you remember the order? First, second, third and fourth. Understood? Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal. Understood it? Thereafter I talked about MP, Telangana, Maharashtra. याद हो गए? So which are the order of coalfield in India? Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, West Bengal, MP, Telangana, Maharashtra. Understood? Just have a look at it. There is a Damodar river. Understood? So there is an, I said that Damodar fault, and this, and the northern Jharkhand. And then thereafter I talked about, here it is, in which river is going? Mahanadi originated from Chhattisgarh. Talcher coalfield. Understood? Clear? Now coming to the Chhattisgarh, there is an, I said that Son river, कल आपको याद हो, I have discussed with you from the Amarkantak plateau, which river? Narmada, Son, and then Mahanadi. So you can be able to see, like I said, that Son river is this side, and its tributaries are also. So it is from the Chhattisgarh, and their tributaries are also there. It is in a huge tributaries, Mahanadi. So in this region, there is an, I said that coalfield, Korba, Bilaspur. Which one I said that? So Mahanadi, and which one I said that? Son. So Mahanadi and Son, there is in a Korba, Bilaspur. Here it is, I said that Jharkhand, there is an Odisha, Talcher, and there is in a Chhattisgarh, Korba, Bilaspur, and in MP and then West Bengal, this is what? Raniganj. Understood? This region is, आपको ये MP में याद हो, Singrauli, Umaria, Pench, Kanha, Tawa. I said that this is Singrauli, this is Umaria, and this is Pench, Kanha, Tawa. Which are, I said that? Singrauli, Umaria, Pench, Kanha, Tawa. Understood? And here we have, I said that Singareni coalfield in Telangana. Godavari river is going, Godavari fault. Understood it? And then thereafter Wardha river is coming from here, and this is, and I said that Kampti coalfield in Maharashtra. So I said that first in this region, यहाँ से Palamu है, this is, I said that, Palamu, Hazaribagh, Ranchi, Bokaro, Dhanbad. Understood? This is the area I talked about. Palamu, Huttar coalfield, and there it is. I said that. Yes, tell me. Jharia. Talcher coalfield, Chhattisgarh, Korba, Bilaspur, Raniganj in the West Bengal. There is in a Singrauli, and there is in a Umaria and Pench Kanha Tawa. And thereafter I discussed with you, I said that Singareni, and here we have, yes, Kamptee coalfield. Understood? This picture